Yeah, good morning. Morning 3 at Tennefield. We're off to, where we go?
Blatherham
near Torrington.
Blatherham Campground.
Blatherham Campground near
Torrington
State Forest.
Which is renowned for crystal fossicking.
There you go. I didn't know. So I just drive, and I'm just a pack horse.
You're the chauffeur.
Yeah, chauffeur.
For Ruby Rose and Riri.
Yeah, Madam Riri.
You could say Mademoiselle Riri.
Mademoiselle.
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 You sound like a gazelle. Yeah, hey.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And we saw a big boy kangaroo this morning.
Big boy kangaroo.
The big boy.
We haven't seen the koala yet, but we've seen the platypus.
And it's nice and quiet at night. All you hear is the babbling creek.
No, it's a perfect spot actually.
And Kenny wants to fossick down the end of the creek, which is called Falls 2, isn't it?
Rock ponds or something.
And there's little rapids there.
Yeah.
And Kenny wants to take the gold detector there, see if he can find some more barbed wire.
Yeah. That was a little bit disappointing.
Yeah. And we got the inflatable boats too to have a play. Last time we did that in our other video clip from, where was that? Up in the range? In Cairns?
Yeah.
Ravenshoe?
Yeah, Ravenshoe, yeah.
That was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And then you went back for a boys' trip and you and the boys popped one of the boats.
Yeah, broke one of them, so I had to replace it. So I got a flash one, push it in.
Yeah, you won it at work, didn't you?
I didn't win it at work.
A canoe.
I brought it.
Luckily, I lost weight so I can fit in it.
Yeah.
Because it's a kid's one.
Yeah. Whole 60 kilos.
I lost weight with all the
What are you, 60?
work looking after you.
How much are you now?
Because your last wife spoiled you.
Oh, yeah.
60?
60, there you go.
I'm 68.
Just go to the toilet first.
Have we got oars for it?
Yes.
Yes. You want your window down, Rubes? Before we get on the main road? There she is. Lucky Kenny had his geo-mining map. Because we took the wrong turn and we ended up in the middle of Boondee. So now we're heading back.
And lucky, I said, I think we're going the wrong way. Yeah. So we were heading into the middle of the bush somewhere.
Because all the roads look the same.
They all look the same, you can't get any bearings.
The Google map didn't work.
So I said, how about we open up my geo map? So I've left the tracker going. And hey, it was brilliant. It told us, yep, we're going to new territory, we're going bush.
Safe day, didn't it?
Well, lucky we've got a tank of fuel. 20 litres of water in the boot.
And snacks.
And snacks, chips. I get there, I said, no dogs.
So we can't get out of Fossicking for crystals.
Well, we can't even get out. I said, hey, we've just spent 2 hours getting here. Didn't you read anything?
Your sweet moon shining now, I finally feel alive.
Yeah,
But it was a lovely drive.
a lovely drive. We would never have seen this part of the world.
But it's nice company. So this is our last morning at beautiful Mindu station, koala camp. Packed the camper up. Where's this drop? It's too low, so we gotta wind it. If you go around the other side and just kick it.
I can't understand you.
If you go around that way and just push it with your leg, then it should work. It's just over a little bit. Nearly there. Look, can I push the button? You lift in the 2.5 ton trailer. Ready?
Yeah.
So you have a nice time here, babe?
It was a lovely time. This is probably my favourite spot of all the places we've ever been. Probably because it was completely different to where we normally go.
And we saw platypuses.
Oh, platypuses, kangaroos, cows.
It's all private, secluded.
Yeah.
We got a dunny up the hill if we need it.
Yeah. Okay, remember your job?
Yeah. Where'd you put the keys?
That's it.
My job is to do all the locks up on the little cupboards. That way the doors don't fly open when you're on the highway. It'd be easier if we had a caravan, but while we're still young enough, me and I like going off the beaten track. So we'll save the caravan style for later when we're a little bit older. So we've had a few little nibbles at our old camper for sale, haven't we? Anything else you want me to do, boss?
Did you do them all?
Yes, sir. You going my way? So we're at the local water station in Tenterfield, filling up. It's $8.90 per kilolitre. So Kenny said it'll probably just cost a couple of dollars. And we always bring our own hose with us. It's a special hose that's for drinking water, so it doesn't have a plastic taste. It takes about 10 minutes to fill the tank up, doesn't it? Yeah. You got your seatbelt on? Good girl. It was a lovely trip, wasn't it? To Mindoo. We have to bring the grandkids back there now. Hey, got the new little grandbabies, Louie and Miley. Got to do the other tank, so we're gonna scan it again. Enter. Authorizing and approved. So it must be auto sense that it was full, that tank, but apparently we got 2 tanks.